Hey, welcome back, guys. And I have something here for you to check out. And you might ask yourself, what is that? Well, if you read the title, then you already know what we're going to discuss. And in today's video, we're going to basically just discuss our Hallmark tabletop Star Trek decoration. And I think you guys will enjoy this. So without further ado, I want to say welcome to the shop. If it's your first time here, don't forget, hit that like, share, and subscribe button at the bottom there. Really helps out our channel and helps us to keep going so we can give you guys some really cool, outstanding performances such as building models and such. But without further ado, let's get down to what we came here for, and that is to see the Hallmark special of the year today for our Star Trek Christmas tree release. Other than that, guys, enjoy. Look at that, guys. Here it is. It is our Hallmark keepsake ornament, basically tabletop decoration here for the year 2025. This here is a great box. I do want to notice that here it is. That is the artist that did the work. There's a QR code on the box. All right. And everything that comes in with this thing is amazing. Let's go ahead and show us our little adventure of opening it up. Well, look out, guys. Check it out. This is awesome. It has all kinds of colors going through it. The Borg cube looks really cool. Kind of gives you that 3D effect with all the lights going on here. You got the Enterprise, just in orbit there, right in front of the vessel. Now, of course, this is just with only the lights running on it. However, there is a way that you can take it and put it into the sounds. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, look out, guys, because now the Borg ship is activated. All the lights going and all the sounds going. So now you get to hear the insides of a Borg cube, but you do not hear the sounds of the crew on the Enterprise. Our next thing here is we're going to hit the button and activate the whole sequence of events, the moment we've all been waiting for.
Reading unidentified vessel just entering sensor range. Bearing 210, Mark 151.
Mr. Wolf, dispatch a subspace message to Admiral Hansen. We have engaged the Borg.
Captain, you are being hailed. Yes, Captain. My name.
On screen.
I'm Captain Jean-Luc Picard.
Jean-Luc Picard, Captain of the Starship Enterprise, Registry NCC-1701D. You will lower your shields and prepare to transport yourself aboard our vessel. If you do not cooperate, we will destroy your ship.
You have committed acts of aggression against the United Federation of Planets. If you do not withdraw immediately...
You will surrender yourself, or we will destroy your ship.
What the hell do they want with you?
I thought they weren't interested in human life forms, only our technology.
Their priorities seem to have changed.
Captain Jean-Luc Picard, you lead the strongest ship of the Federation fleet. You speak for your people.
I have nothing to say to you, and I will resist you with my last ounce of strength.
Strength is irrelevant. Resistance is futile. We wish to improve ourselves. We will add your biological and technological distinctiveness to our own. Your culture will adapt to service ours.
Impossible. My culture is based on freedom and self-determination.
Freedom is irrelevant. Self-determination is irrelevant. You must comply.
We would rather die.
Death is irrelevant. Your archaic cultures are authority-driven. To facilitate our introduction into your societies, it has been decided that a human voice will speak for us in all communications. You have been chosen to be that voice.
The captain. We were unable to retrieve him, sir. The captain has been altered by the Borg. Altered?
He is a Borg.
Commander, reading subspace field fluctuations from within the Borg ship. Looks like they're regenerating, restoring power. They could be capable of warp any minute.
Is the deflector ready?
It's ready.
Will, he's alive. If we could get him back to the ship, I might be able to restore...
This is our only chance to destroy them. If they could warp. Our weapon is useless. Prepare to fire.
Sir, we're being hailed by the Borg.
On screen.
I am Locutus of Borg. Resistance is futile. Your life, as it has been, is over. From this time forward, you will service us.
Mr. Worf,
Fire.
Wow, what a stunning thing, guys. What a stunning, excellent tabletop storyline. I mean, that is phenomenally great. I can't wait to have this sitting on top of my table and being right near my Christmas tree this year because, guys, we have an excellent video coming out that'll show off this year's Star Trek Christmas tree for our model shop. And I hope you'll enjoy that video once we pop it out. But other than that, without further ado, I gotta get going and get this thing onto a table and get it ready for our Christmas tree video because this little sucker is gonna be doing some really cool stuff. If I can get it into the tree, I would definitely do that, but I don't think this is gonna fit inside the tree. I think we're just gonna keep it on the table. But other than that, guys, I gotta get going. Thank you for watching today's Hallmark special of Star Trek tabletop decorations, and we hope to see you soon on the next video here down in the shop. Other than that, guys, keep on modeling.